Good evening, students. Today we have to see 10th class poem, English poem. Please listen. The poet is unknown. In this poem, we have to see the difference in hear and listen. Hear, to receive with the ear the sound made by someone or something. Now we have to see what's the difference in listen. To consciously give one's attention to a sound and try to understand it. Our title is Please Listen. The speaker, he is requesting to the parent, please listen to me what I am saying. So first we have to see the central idea of this poem. This poem is in the form of soliloquy. So what is the meaning of soliloquy? A dramatic speech uttered by one character. It expresses an inner feelings or thoughts. And the person who is doing this, it is called soliloquist. So here the speaker, he is teenager. So what is the meaning teenage? The child who is under the age of 13 to 19. And the person who is speaking here, he is teenager and he is requesting to his parents. So first we have to see stanza wise what is the meaning of this poem. When I ask you to listen to me, the speaker is requesting to the parents, please listen what I am saying. And you start giving me advice. But instead of listening to me, what you are doing? You are giving me different types of advice. You are ready to give me different types of suggestions on my problems. But what is my wish? You have not done what I ask, but you are not ready to listen to me. You are not ready to accept my suggestions. You are not ready what I am saying to listen. When I ask you to listen to me, when I am requesting you to listen what I am saying, and you begin to tell me, but you are ready to give me different types of advice, different types of suggestion. I shouldn't feel that way, but what I am thinking, only you listen to me. My problems are my problems and I am able to solve this. You are trampling on my feelings. Trample. What is the meaning trample? To tread under foot. What you are doing? You are careless about my feelings. You are trampling my feelings, my thoughts. When I ask you to listen to me and you feel you have to do something. When I am telling to you, listen to me, At that time, what you are thinking? You are thinking that you have to do something for me. You have to solve my problems, my difficulties, to solve my problems. You are thinking that you have duty to solve my problems. You have failed me, and by this way I become failure. I become unsuccessful. You have failed me, strange as they may seem. And it looks very strange. Strange means here, it looks very here. It doesn't look nice. Listen, all I ask is that you listen. First, only you listen to me. You should be attentive on my words. Don't talk or do. No need to talk anything. No need to do any action. Just hear me. What is the request of the teenager? Only you should listen what I am saying. Only hear me. Advice is cheap. What he is saying? How is advice? Advice is cheap means it is not costly. It is inexpensive. Why he is saying like that? Because 20 cents will get you both, dear Abby and Billy Graham, in the same newspaper. When we are seeing newspaper, what we are seeing? In the newspaper there is a column, and in that column common persons, they are asking different types of social problems of theirs, and these two persons, Abby and Billy Graham, they are solving their problems, and they are taking very less money from that, very less charge from that. So according to the speaker, nowadays how is advice? Advice is very cheap. And columnist, they are showing it in the column in daily newspaper. And I can do for myself. What is the speaker's here humble request? I am ready to solve my problems. I am not helpless. I am not helpless means how am I? I am very, very confident. I am able to solve my problems. So don't decrease my confidence. I am powerful. I have enough strength to solve my problems. May be discouraged. Again what he is saying? Sometimes maybe I have no courage and faltering. What is the meaning? Sometimes I am suspicious about my actions, but I am not helpless. I am confident. When you do something for me, you are ready to to solve my problems. You are always giving me advice. You are always ready to give me suggestions that I can and need to do for myself. I am able to solve my problems. If I will solve my problems by my own, automatically I will get answers, I will get confidence, and that's why you don't pay attention on my problems. Only you try to listen to me. You contribute to my fear, and when you are giving me suggestions, it adds to my fear. I want to do my work fearlessly, and sometimes I am thinking when you are giving me suggestions, when you are ready to do something for me, I am thinking I become insufficient. So here try to understand my problems, and only you should listen to me. Don't do anything for me. I am able to solve all my problems. What is your duty? What is my request? Only listen to me. So here This is the request from the speaker. The next part we will see in the next video. Thank you.